For a very long time, the Igbos had been marginalized. The Igbos had been marginalized. That is the truth of the matter. Now, who are they killing? Now, they are killing the Igbos for no reason. Just because they said they need freedom. You are sending soldiers to go and kill them. No. Do they have right to their freedom? They do. They do. They do. So, my people, I just want to beg una. Una, when you want to comment, you no need to point finger. Just listen to what they talk. You don't need to point finger. You don't need to say, but no, just sit down, listen to what they talk. Then ask yourself a question. Which Apostle Alfred they talk not true? But the problem is a sentiment. No go let us sit down and think. Sentiment, wickedness, pride, fear. It no go let us really think over which they talk. So, every region get their area of strength. The Igbos' area of strength, now they talk about this morning, they are productive. They are industrious. I discovered the Igbos, they are productive. And they don't need to depend on anybody for them to survive. And anywhere you put the Igbos, they go turn out to a city. Put Igbo man for desert, it will turn that desert into a productive land. Now, how I said no. If you check the Bible, the three wise men, when they come see Jesus Christ, when they born, the Bible said they men from the east, which means good things actually come from the east. And if you read your Bible very well, the wealth where Solomon flowed for Bible is from the east. And if you check all the greatness, the great men all over the world, they are from the east, which is an Igbo man. Now, Igbo man go fit convert 10 naira to become 15 naira. All these are the good attributes of the Igbos. When it be said, we really need to sit down, look at the qualities of the Igbos. I also discover, say, Igbos, they don't carry people land. They don't come area to collect your land from you. They go fight, they go kill. No. Anywhere Igbo man wants to stay, he dey buy the land. He go buy the land, he go pay. And as he pay, he go do his business. Remove Igbo man from business, from any business, that business will crumble. Now, like Welu's peppers, 95% of the people they work for Welu, where they spare peppers, they be Igbos. Now, if you go like 85% or 90% of the people they sell peppers for like they are Igbos. Now, imagine you pull out Igbos. Igbos decide to pull out their business from this area. That area will become a danger zone. It will become a desolate city. That is the reason why anywhere you put Igbo man must be productive. Funny enough, the Igbos, they don't even depend on oil to survive. They don't depend on oil to survive. And every region, every tribe get their own bad parts and they get their own good parts. But this morning, now the good side of the Igbos, now I want to talk about the good side of the Igbos. Just as the Igbos, the Benin, they're good. That's what the Igbos, they're good. And one thing I discovered about the Igbos, anywhere they enter, they make camp to become a mini London. Go north. Go check where the Igbos occupy for north. It's a sight to behold. Why? They believe in development. They don't believe in, let me go and destroy that area. No. Their own are to go to that area. They open up the area. They open. Like for my area for Ugbo, the Igbo people will get houses for that area. Go and check. They buy. They buy. They don't say because they do this business, may they collect your land from you. No. No. They buy, they paid for it. It did not be like the other of our brothers. When it be said you go plant farm, they go carry cow will come to destroy what you they do. So that it go be said that only them, now you will get food from. But for the Igbos are not like that. The Igbos are not like that. In fact, if you remove Igbo from Nigeria, let me say, Nigeria will crash. Make we talk about it. If you remove Igbo today, come up from Nigeria, Nigeria will crash. Why? Because the wealth of the nation is in the hands of the Igbos. Forget those Hausa people. Forget them. The wealth Where they see the developmental strive of this nation in the hand of Igbos. Why is it said that they fear to make the president? Because these people, they are creative. The Igbos are creative. And we must talk them as they be. Now, with my little research and relationship, I discover, say, the Igbos, they are productive. Anywhere in the world, they can convert things. Most of these, China, when they say phone, we talk about every other thing, the Igbos, they produce them. Now, go Unewi, who they produce motor? Igbo man. But our government not feel support them because not be Hausa man. Now, what about airpiece? We get airline. Go and check the thing they use their hand they do. We're gonna go check what their hand they do. So that's the reason why we must all gather ourselves together to ensure, say, the Igbos, as they fight for their freedom, make them fight for their freedom because they have been marginalized. Because they have been marginalized. So this morning, I know they talk about Biafra, whether I can't talk about those things. No, I'm not after that. What I'm after this morning is that they make we really know who the Igbo be. Make we know. They are productive. They are productive. They only enter people's farm, they rape women, they destroy farmland. No. We don't really ask ourselves, why the government they fight the Igbos? Why the government they fight them? See, may I tell you, injustice to one region is injustice to all. Injustice to one region is injustice to all. So, some of us feel they clap now, oh, now let Igbo, not concern us, only the East, not concern us. One day, it go concern una. It will concern una. That's the truth of the matter. It will concern una. Now, if you check the way Igbos are united to see how the future grow for business, my brother, you go fear. Go Cook Road. You see the way Igbos, they are creative in business. If the way the Igbos are creative in business, now so other people really they creative for business, I believe so where we day, so we know good day. I want me to get and clear. No, every tribe get a bad side. But this morning now the good side of the Igbos, now they talk about. Remove Igbo man come out from business, from any business for that area will crash. That's the truth. Because they don't train them, they don't groom them to know how to add 1 naira to 2 naira, how to make 3 naira to become 5 naira, because they grow up with them. It's their mentality trade. The Igbo, they believe in trade. And you know if you take that one away from them, you can't take it away from them. Go and check all the trade. Go and check all the markets, the world market for all over the world. Now, Igbo people, they control. We must tell ourselves the truth. The Igbos, they control. And this one are naughty, but the truth. Go and check all the business for the world. You must see one Igbo man they lead. So don't want to tell you, say these people, they have something upstairs. I not talk so that region not ghetto. Don't misquote me. I not talk so that region not ghetto. But what I want to make you know, say the Igbos, they have something upstairs. They have something upstairs. So we must also appreciate their work. We must appreciate them. Now, for area, you don't go the fear say, Igbo man they come they want to dominate this area. No, they do their own. Now Benin, I tell you no. For Benin now, where Igbo they occupy, they don't get a problem with anybody. That's the truth. For those states, Igbos not get problem with anybody. No, they do their business. They mind their business. In the morning, they don't arrange themselves straight to their business. In the evening, they come back. They don't get your time. And those states, as an example now, the Igbos don't get problem with us. They don't get problem with us. So, the more we leave the area, more we leave that fight for now. Make we talk about the productive side of every region. Let's talk about the productive side of every region. I must tell ourselves the truth. Igbo man for Edo do not get problem with us. Edo people don't get problem with the Igbos. That's the truth of the matter. And they only give you problem like other people, they give us problem. That's the truth. That's the truth. That's the truth. That's the truth. So this will not be to say make we paint them, but make we just talk them as it be. And not until we begin to get these facts, we go nowhere. And in time don't for us to delete what happened 1920, 1980, 1970. No, let's make we leave those things and make we sit down. More think. Make we think. Are the Igbos the problem of this country? No, they are not. Now, bad leaders, that be our problem. That be our problem. Now, in each of the market, they call Igbo get their own make. Even phone, up to phone. It no go surprise you. Igbo they produce phone. It surprise you. Igbos produce cars. Small today there. They produce cars. If the way they small they produce cars and everybody actually encourage them, the government encourage them. God forget. Nobody go travel out of this country. Because things they go well. The Igbos are business-oriented people. They are business-oriented people. Remove Igbo people come up from market. Let me just tell the truth. Nigeria will crash. That's the truth of the matter. That's just the truth. Now the truth be this. Talk about smart business. Remove Igbo man from smart business. That smart business will crash. That's the truth. Because now which they born them to do with that. They are trained and they are groomed for it. They are trained for it. That's why every one of us, we must all really sit down to put set light over waiting and they talk. So make we really sit down. Are the Igbo the problem of this country? No, they are not. They are not. They are not. And because of this marginalization, you just carry one religion through away as you say they are not human beings. They are. They're human beings. Blood will flow for their body. And every one of us must think over this matter. I'm not going at this matter to come talk about Biafra. No. I just can't talk about the good, what we need to know about the Igbos. And for us to get this thing straight, make we throw away sentiment. They are tiring on GA. Make we just talk about it be. As it be for the Igbos, that's what it be for Yoruba, that's what it be for Hausa, that's what it be for Bini, that's what it be for Delta. So every region get their good part, and we will focus on the good part. And in the good part of the Igbos, now they talk about this money. 75% of what will they use? The Igbos are in control. That's the truth. That's the truth. We're talking about the electrical things today. Wire and the rest. Who they in charge? Now the Igbos, they in charge. We're talking about ties to the tiling. Now the Igbos are in charge. We're talking about the bedroom fitting, everything. The Igbos are in charge. Talking about the spare parts for motor. To okay, all the different kind of spare parts. Who they in charge? They are Igbos. So which means the economy is actually in the hands of the Igbos. That's the truth. That's the truth. The economy of the world, of Nigeria, is in the hands of the Igbos. The earlier the best, the better for us. And we must realize this. If the Igbos decide to shut down their business, my brother, Nigeria will crumble. That's the truth. That's the truth. That's the truth. And we don't need to deceive ourselves. Imagine the Igbo wake up tomorrow and say, we want to shut down the tiling business, electrical business in Nigeria. My brother, forget Nigeria will collapse. Nigeria will collapse. Nigeria will collapse. What is not good is bad. Tell friend treating his boyfriend. Community where good people will keep quiet. Ambraba will become general overseer. You know, say me, I they talk come as it be. So, my people, make all of us really sit down. Think about waiting at the talk. Why they don't go there agitate for their freedom? Because they have been oppressed. They have been marginalized. This is the truth of the matter. They have been oppressed. They have been marginalized. And you are still killing them at the same time. And you help them to be happy. And you expect them to be happy. No, they can never be happy with you. Never. Yeah, my people, I just make I drop this one as it just they be. I beg, more not crucify me. I just air my opinion. Because don't be crime to air your opinion. So I just make I air my opinion. Make I talk how much it be. When I do well, thank you for sharing the broadcast. So please spend time to listen to this broadcast again and again and see how we can begin to appreciate each other's strength. We all need each other.
Alright everyone, this is where we end the program today. Thank you very much for watching this video to the very end. But first of all, I want to appreciate everyone that have been watching my YouTube channel. And if it's your first time of coming across our program, why not pause this video to subscribe to our YouTube? There are a lot of amazing videos that are waiting for you. For those that have been watching my videos and commenting and sharing my videos, I want to use this medium to appreciate you all. Thank you very much. See you on our next video. Until we meet again, stay tuned with Plan B TV. Peace out.
You are welcome to the shining here. We had to give you the news, to tell you what in the sun. Put up your lights, put up your comments, share it to your friends, and share to your family. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified. And I see the show you support. Now say God bless you too.
Dance on the beat.
Plan B TV, Plan B TV, Plan B TV. Oh, Plan B TV, Plan B TV, Plan B TV, Plan B TV.